In this video, I will show you how to auto sum in Excel. So, like you want to sum 55 plus 55. So, you want to result for this one. So, select any cell, then formula, then click on auto sum. Now, select this both box. Now, press enter. So, you have the result here. Similarly, you want to make more numbers. Now you want to sum these numbers, so select any column where you want to result, like here, then formula, auto sum. Now select here, then press enter. So you have a result here. You need result here in last column. Select it, auto sum, press enter. That's it. Thanks for watching.